Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to repair my pinky nail for you guys. First thing I am doing is going in with my drill that I got from Amazon. I will link it down below. I really love this drill as a beginner drill and a backup drill. In my case, this is my backup drill. It does come with some brushes that I don't show pictured. I'm just going in right now with just a sanding band, and I do have a dust stopper on here, and I'm just pushing it down inside the drill so that I can get started. I was trying to save this nail, like not have to go in with the whole new nail. However, it didn't work out like that, so I decided to just sand the nail down and take off the acrylic and start over with a fresh nail. The nails that I got on are from the nail salon, so the tips are curved tips. I typically don't wear curved tips, but I'm not really mad at it. So I went into my collection to look for some tips that were kind of similar to the tips that I had on, and I found some that I had gotten a nail swap. So here I just went in and shaped the nail into the shape that I have on my nails, which is a coffin, filed it down on the sides, and then I began to get ready to prep the nails just by taking the dust off. I am going in with Young Nail Clear Core Powder and Young Nails Young Nails Monomer, and I'm also going in with Young Nails Protein Bond and a primer. So here I am going in with a size 10 Kolinsky brush. I will link it down below as well. It is from Amazon. And you guys, I have not touched acrylic in probably 4 months. I have not worn acrylic nails. I have not touched acrylic, period. All my clients have been getting gel tips or press-ons, permanent press-ons added to their nails. So I am going in with very small wet beads. I thought that was most beneficial just because, like I said, I didn't want any of the product to stiffen up on me, and my work area is kind of cold, so I really didn't have to worry about my acrylic drying too fast. So here I'm just going in with the small beads. I started in the center of the nail and then work my way down, and then I came up to the cuticle area, making sure that I'm really not flooding my cuticle, and if I am, I'm going in and cleaning that up. What I did notice when I got my nails done at the nail salon, as days went on, my cuticle areas were not as flush. It's almost like a beginner nail tech did my nails, but the nail tech that did my nails had been doing nails for 20 years. I'll show you towards the end what they look like at 5 days out. So when this nail broke, I didn't even realize they broke. I was like talking, and I looked down at my hand and my nail was gone. And then I actually found the nail in my house somewhere like later on that day. So I wasn't going to go back to the nail salon and get my nail fixed, of course, because I can fix it myself at home. I really only ever went to the nail salon because it was my birthday, and I can only do my left hand. I can't do my right hand. So yeah, here I'm just going in and bringing the acrylic down just to make sure that there is a even application. So when I go in and file with the drill, everything looks good. I like the way that look. So I'm gonna go in with a safety bit. Again, I have not used acrylic on myself, nor have I used a drill to get around my cuticle area. So I wanted to make sure I didn't cut myself. So I did go in with a safety bit, and I'm just going around the cuticle, sealing it, and then taking a little bit of that bulk down at the top. And then I'm going in with the 80 grit file and sanding down, filing down the side, and getting my shape the way I want it. I'm pretty satisfied with the way that looks, so I did go in with some swipe to clean my nail. And here I'm going in with a pretty pinkish clear color. This is from Born Pretty's Strawberry collection. Their gel polish is like 6 polishes that have different variations of pink. Beautiful. I think I do go in with a video clip and show you how this looks a little bit up close, but this was the closest polish color that I had to the one she used on me. So yeah, here I do show you. It's a beautiful color, perfect if your client wants that pink in the background of their French tips. So I only went in with 1 coat of that, and then I am going in with the same shade that I have on the rest of the nails, which is 119 from the iMethod Beauty Gel Polish Kit that I showed you guys in my previous video. I will also link this down below. I believe this also is on Amazon. So I'm just going in with my wet brush that I had wet from when I did my nails, my brush, I'm sorry, when I did my brush into the monomer. Whatever is left on the brush, I'm just going in to try to help clean up the smile line. And in between each coat, I am curing my nails in the lamp for 60 seconds. I do go in with 2 coats of this polish because that's what she did, and I wanted everything to look the same. I'm pretty satisfied with the way the nail looks, so right now I am going in with the super top coat from Born Pretty. It's no surprise, this is the only top coat that I gravitate towards when I'm doing my nails or my press-ons. I do have other ones that I like, but this is my favorite. So I'm just showing y'all how flush that looks, curing it in the lamp for 60 seconds. I'm really excited how the nails came out. I am going to go in with a little bit of cuticle oil just to make that nail alone look vibrant. And then here I'm going to show you guys what they look like. Let me know how you think I did in fixing that nail. And as you can see how the nails are lifting around the cuticle on the other nails, I show you here. Yeah, if you're a beginner nail tech and you're watching this, don't be so hard on yourself because she's been doing nails for a long time and she has some imperfections. I did like the nails, but there are some imperfections. Don't forget, if you're watching this video, to comment, subscribe, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Bye.